Have you volunteered to be on a conference organising committee? Did everyone step backwards when they were looking for conveners and now you find yourself chairing a conference? If that's the case and you're wondering what to do next, my advice would be to resist the urge to start researching venues and instead start researching professional conference organisers, or PCOs. Everyone wants to start finding a venue, you're not alone, and of course I'm going to say that because I'm a PCO, but I really do want to save you some time and some money here. If you appoint a PCO first, they're likely to be able to tell you the appropriate venues for your meeting off the top of their head. They can probably suggest options that you wouldn't easily find on Google, and they'll know the capacities and the service levels of these places. They'll have an understanding of the price points, so they can steer you somewhere that's within your budget. If you appoint a PCO first, they're able to negotiate on your behalf. If you've contacted the venue yourself directly, they have less leverage. So how do you choose a PCO? So tune into our next video and I'll give you some tips.